Hi friends, welcome to Jyoti Nath's Kitchen. Today we are going to try very simple one combo. It's tomato pappu and pachi pulusu. So tomato tur dal and pachi pulusu with tamarind juice. So this is very famous South Indian Telugu dish. So let's try to see we can make it quickly. I'm going to use Instapot for this. And first thing what I did is I took 1.5 cup tur dal, washed it thoroughly and soaked it. You don't have to soak it for a long time, just wash it and add double the water. So I took 1.5 cup tur dal, so I added 3 cups of water in it. So that is ready. And the remaining ingredients are very simple. So let's start by adding one by one. So it's so simple and easy too. So I'm going to add onion. Half onion is good enough. If you have a small, use the one small onion. So I also used one big tomato. If you have small size, use 2 of them. If you like it spicy, add some green chilies. It will add little bit of different taste. So I'm adding 2 green chilies. This is crushed garlic. I will use close to 1 spoon, and the remaining I will use it in tempering. Next, quarter spoon of turmeric, 1.5 spoon red chili powder. I'll take close to 2 spoons. I like it little spicy. Then 1.5 spoon of salt. Then half spoon coriander powder, dhania powder. That's all. Now just close the lid. Keep the Instapot plugged in and use pressure cook mode. All you need is 3 minutes. Okay, by the time our dal gets cooked, we will look into the pachi pulusu procedure. So for this one, I took tamarind juice. All you have to take is lemon sized tamarind, soaked it in water for 10 or 20 minutes, then to take the juice out of it. So I have this ready, and for this one we need some chopped onions, chopped coriander, chopped green chilies and some curry leaves. So for this one, we make it with hand. So I washed my hand just now. I want to show you the procedure. Take the onions into your hand, add half spoon of red chili powder and the same close to half spoon of salt. Try to mix it with hand and slowly mix it in the water. So you just crush it all together and make sure you add all the onions here. We'll get into the next step. So take a small pan and add some oil for tempering. Once the oil gets heated, add cumin and mustard seeds little bit. Now add green chilies, chopped green chilies. Be careful when you are close to the oil. Add curry leaves. I have dried curry leaves, so I am adding immediately after green chilies. Make sure they get fried little bit. And to this I will add little bit hing, and I have some cumin powder, jeera powder too, to add little bit of taste. Then coriander, chopped coriander and little bit of turmeric. So turn off the stove, just take this and mix it to the tamarind juice. So one more step is, which is optional. Lot of people do it in lot of different ways using so many powders. I have little bit of sesame seeds powder. I'm adding little bit, quarter spoon. So there are so many other recipes how you make pachi pulusu. So many things we add, but I'll show them later when I make it. But this is the very basic pachi pulusu recipe. Check the taste. If you need more salt, you can add it. So this will be ready to eat when our dal is ready and white rice is ready. So this is a great combination to go with for lunch. Dal is ready. Let's open and see. Look at it. I did not even stir it before. Let's look at it. See, it's all well cooked. Mix it well, thoroughly. So it's up to you, like, you know, based on your dal, how many whistles you keep accordingly. So for 3 minutes, it is good for me. For 4, it becomes too soft. That's why I use only 3 minutes. So you can decide according to your regular, how you use regular pressure cooker and stuff. Now, for this, we will add some tamarind. For this, I took the same pan which we used for pachi pulusu. So I added some oil. To this, we will add some cumin and mustard seeds, little bit more. If you want, you can add 1 red chili. Then I will add the remaining crushed garlic. I only used 1 spoon in the Instapot. The remaining one I am using it here. So I really like this flavor and taste, which will be very special taste added for your tomato dal. And next I will add little bit of hing, then cumin powder. I always use both together when I am making this, and little bit of turmeric, then the chopped coriander, all of it. Mix it well, turn off the stove, add it to your dal. So mix it, and this will be ready to serve. Look at it. This is my lunch meal today. White rice and tomato dal, and with the fresh mango pickle, avakai, and some vadiyalu with pachi pulusu. This is the very South Indian special veggie thali kind of thing. So thanks for watching this video. Please try this at your home, and in summer it's very good to have pachi pulusu once in a week or twice in a week. Try to make this kind of simple recipes which is easy to cook and easy to serve. We'll see you again in next recipe in my video. Thanks for watching this channel and my videos. Bye.